Hi, friends. It's Miss Karen. I'm going to talk to you about farms and harvesting today because now in our dramatic play, what we have is we have a farmer's market where you guys can take vegetables and fruits and pretend to like buy them and harvest them and sell them. And then I kept the kitchen in our dramatic play so you guys can then take the fruits and the vegetables and make stuff with it. Like you can make a pumpkin pie or applesauce or an apple pie, even, because I know we were talking about apple pies at school last week. So I wanted to talk to you about harvesting since that's what we're going to be doing in our dramatic play. Okay, so I have this story. It's called Grow, Raise, Catch, and it's all about the different ways we can get our food. So, oh, look, beautiful sunflower. We have some pretend sunflowers in our dramatic play. So that's one thing that we can play with in there. So this book says that today, so you see all those pictures? Today, most people buy their food from stores. But how does the food get to the stores? So we're going to find out a little bit about the food and how it gets to the stores. So food comes from our earth where we live. It takes sun, nutritious soil, and fresh air and clean water to grow healthy food. And then look at all these different types of farmers and fishermen. And we can say thank you to the farmers and fishermen for growing all this yummy food that we can eat. So look at this. This farmer grows vegetables. I'm trying to show you the picture. So he's a vegetable farmer. He loves to plant seeds in his field and watch them grow and grow and grow. And then when they're ripe and ready, he can harvest them so that you can have delicious salads. So he grows lettuce. Do you see how it starts off really tiny over here? And then it gets bigger and bigger, and then it's ready to be picked. And then you can make salad out of it. And did you know that lettuce is made mostly of water? Did you know that? But it's still really, really healthy for you. All right, let's turn the page and find out more. So here, what are they growing here? Can you guess by the pictures? Tomatoes. If you said tomatoes, you're right. So tomatoes are usually red, but they can be green, purple, yellow, white, black, pink, orange, and even striped. Did you know about that? Did you know about all those colors tomatoes could be? Have you had all those types of tomatoes before? Wouldn't it be fun to try all of them and see how they are different tasting? They're also growing peppers on this page here. And peppers can taste sweet or spicy or hot, like spicy hot, like burn your mouth hot. And then carrots grow underground and cucumbers grow on vines. Look at all that. So those are vegetable farmers too. All right. The next farmer is berry farmers. Oh, what's your favorite kind of berry? My favorite kind of berry is probably strawberries. But berries mostly grow on bushes. So there's blueberries and strawberries and raspberries. Yummy. What's your favorite kind of berry? I'm going to ask you guys at school because I want to know. I'm curious. Okay, there's also citrus farmers over here. Citrus farmers grow oranges in the groves where the weather stays warm all around. So like Florida, like really far south from us. And then most oranges, they say, are made into orange juices. And then over here, some fruit farmers, they grow peaches and apples. Like we were talking about the apples. So They like to see them. Remember how apples grow? They start as buds and then little circles and then they get bigger. But so they like to watch them grow from flowers to delicious fruit. The farmers like to watch that happen. And did you know that it takes about 36 apples to make 1 gallon of cider? So 1 gallon of cider, 36 apples you need. There's other things that are grown other than just vegetables and fruits. Farmers also grow wheat, right here, wheat. Wheat's a kind of grass, and it grows for a really, really long time. And they're ground up to make, do you know what wheat makes? It makes flour. Flour can be used in bread, spaghetti, tortillas, cereal. They're all made with wheat flour. Yup. And then this guy right here, or girl, she is a rice farmer. So she grows rice in wet fields. Sorry, the sun's making it hard to see the pictures. She grows rice in wet fields called paddies. So rice is the seed of a certain kind of grass. And it's nutritious. Brown rice is nutritious too. Oh, here's some more things that farmers grow. Potatoes. Do you guys like potatoes? Potatoes and corn. Do you guys like potatoes and corn? I love potatoes and corn. I think corn might be my favorite vegetable, but I love potatoes. Did you know French fries come from potatoes? So yummy. So here, this family, they grow potatoes. It's a big family. So the plants of potatoes have white flowers, and the potatoes come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. And then the corn, he's a corn farmer. Can you see him? He's a corn farmer there. And he grows the corn on stalks like those behind him. And the leafy part of the plant grows the ears, which has the seeds called kernels. And that's what you eat. And sometimes, did you know, you can make popcorn out of corn? Do you guys like popcorn? I love popcorn. I think we're going to have popcorn as one of our snacks for the harvest party. I love popcorn. It's yummy. All right, there's another type of farmer. This farmer doesn't grow any plants or vegetables or fruit or anything. This farmer is a dairy farmer. So dairy farmers raise cows for their milk. So he says they're curious animals and creatures of habit. They always come into the barn in the same order. And milk is in a lot of different things that you guys probably eat. So you can drink milk, but milk is also in butter, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. I love all those things. I love butter, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Do you guys like those things? Or maybe just some of those things? Yeah, well, those all come from the milk of cows. How cute. Now this guy, he's a beef farmer. So the beef farmer raises the cows for their meat. So if you like hamburgers like this little girl here, that's where hamburgers come from. They come from your cows. All right. We learned about this animal. Chicken. Chicken right here. Right here, sorry. Chicken. He's a chicken farmer. He likes to listen to the many different sounds that they make to say that they're happy, or sound saying, "Oh, we're scared." And when they lay an egg, it takes a whole day, but when they lay an egg, it makes the chicken makes a clucking sound. You'll hear them go cluck, 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 cluck. And then they lay the eggs. And eggs can be different colors. They don't have to be just white like we normally see in the stores, but they can be brown. My neighbor has a chicken that lays like this light blue color egg, and it's really cool. All right, this guy, look. He has a baby pig. He's a pig farmer. So he raises pigs for their meat. And he says that pigs are really smart animals. Let's see. So, uh-oh. Sorry, my screen just died on me. But anyways, another name for a pig when we eat it is called pork. And pork is like bacon, hot dogs, and pepperoni. Those are all made from pork. So if you like pepperoni pizzas like this little guy, your pepperoni probably comes from a little bit of pig. Yeah. All right, I'm almost done with this book. Look, these guys are fishermen and lobster farmers. They say it's really hard work to catch fish and lobsters. But then you can eat them. Do you guys like seafood, like fish and lobsters? I'm not a big seafood fan, but my parents, my mom and dad, love seafood. So do you guys like seafood? What's your favorite kind if you do? When I was little, I used to like fish, but then, I don't know, my taste changed and not a big fish eater anymore. Sometimes I will, though. All right. And then this family, they have a big family farm. Look what they grew. They grew pumpkins and made jack-o'-lanterns. Pretty soon we're going to get to go hunt for pumpkins in our own field. And they also have beehives over here, bee homes. They have chickens and a dog. All right. And then this is the last page. So people can grow their own food in their own gardens. So my question to you is, do you have a garden where you grow food at? This summer, my backyard was being fixed. So next summer, we're hoping to have a garden, and we want to grow tomatoes, and we want to grow cucumbers, and we want to grow a bunch of herbs and spices too. But do you guys have a garden at your house? If you do, I want you to tell me at school, because I love hearing about all that, all those kind of things. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed learning about different types of things that we can grow and raise and then catch fish and lobsters. So yeah, I can't wait to talk to you guys more about it in school. Bye.